love sandwiches. There are so many fillings.
Yes, me too. What do you want in your sandwich, Sandy?
Have they got any tuna? Mayonnaise? And lettuce?
Yes, they have. Do you want onions too?
No, thanks. I don't like onions because they smell.
What do you want, Susie?
Have they got any rolls?
Yes, they have.
Do they have any cheese and tomato?
Yes. Do you want something else?
Have they got any pepperoni?
No, they haven't.
Okay, a cheese and tomato roll, please.
And I will have a chicken and salad sandwich, please.
If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you.